Welcome to this two-part lettuce hem tutorial where I will show you how to make the hem with a sewing machine and a serger. I'm starting at my sewing machine by setting the stitch to a zigzag. I will then go and adjust my stitch length to a bar tack, really short length, to get the stitches close together. Next, I will adjust my width to 2 or 3 millimeters. This can be adjusted to your preference. I recommend using a piece of scrap fabric to try this out at first. I'll be placing my fabric centered under the presser foot. Stretch the fabric as you're sewing and try to keep the stretching even the entire time. I am letting the needle go mostly on top of the fabric on the left side, then just over the raw edge on the right side. This does take a little bit of practicing. Here's the result of a 2.5 millimeter wide zigzag. If you like this tutorial, show it some love and stay tuned for part 2, the serger hem.